In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to build apps with Replit AI agent. We'll start by opening Replit in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, head to the AI chat space. This is where the agent does the heavy lifting. In the chat box, type a clear prompt describing the mobile app you want. The more specific you are, the better the first draft will be. Mention the app's purpose, the key screens you need, like a home screen, a product list, or a checkout, and any must-have features such as authentication or dark mode. You can also note your preferred tech stack or design style if you have one. Before you send the prompt, make sure the target is set to mobile. Look for the mobile option near the chat area and click it. This tells the agent to create a mobile experience rather than a desktop-oriented layout. With that set, click Send. Give the agent a moment to think. You'll see it propose a plan, then start generating the project files and setup instructions. As the Replit AI agent works, it will scaffold your mobile app based on your prompt. Expect to see a project with organized folders, dependencies, and a live preview. Read through the summary the agent provides. It usually explains what was created and why. If something looks off, refine your prompt right in the chat to nudge the design or functionality in the right direction, and the agent will adjust. When you're happy with the result and you're ready to share, use the Publish button at the top right. If your interface shows republish, that simply means the project was published before. Clicking it will update the published version. In the publish flow, add a descriptive title and a short summary so others immediately understand what your app does. Keep your description concise and focused on value. After publishing, copy the project's public URL. You can distribute this link for instant access in the browser, or take it a step further by using your preferred packaging tool to turn the project into a mobile build. Many developers wrap a web experience into installable formats, creating iOS or Android packages from the published project. Whichever tool you choose, follow its guidelines for signing, icons, and store requirements so your build passes review smoothly. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.